citrus salad with grilled chicken on top. I have here about 1.25 pounds to 1.5 pounds, 6 pieces of boneless, skinless thigh, and I cut those in half, and the largest one I cut into thirds. This is just 4 chicken breasts. I cut off the bottom, the lower deck, okay? And then I take the larger, meatier piece of chicken breast, and I put my hand on top and just cut it across, horizontally, and then we end up with 3 pieces that are about the like shape and size of each other. If you're cooking in a skillet, a big cast iron skillet or large nonstick skillet, you want to go between medium and medium high. Outdoors, kind of same thing. You really want a moderate to medium high, somewhere in that zone of heat, so that these guys don't curl up or crisp up before they're cooked through. I've already seasoned these guys, and so now we're going to take some tongs, because we just washed up, and transfer all of this meat into a plastic food storage bag. We're gonna take to the chicken the zest of really small grapefruit, about a tablespoon and a half, and an equal amount of orange. This salad will be greens, oranges, and grapefruit. So we're gonna take some zest of all of that and put it in the bag. 4 cloves of garlic, we're gonna reserve just a bit. We're going to add most of our chopped herbs. This is about 2 tablespoons each, or a 1/4 cup total, of rosemary and thyme. And we're going to add a little olive oil to coat. At 3 or 4 tablespoons. I count to 4 very slowly and literally massage all of that together. So now we're going to take the juice of 1 small orange and a small lemon, and you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This is called calamansi. This vinegar is citrus flavored, but guess what else you could use that everybody has? White wine vinegar or white distilled vinegar, okay? And we're going to add about 1/3 palm of fennel pollen, or ground fennel, or you can skip it. We're going to add some olive oil, 1/4 to 1/3 cup, that last little bit of garlic and herbs that we used in the chicken. See how that emulsifies when you have the right mix in there? See how it looks creamy? Just like we cut a melon, okay? We cut the ends off, small pink grapefruit. Now you can also supreme, which just means to take sections like this. I think it's much easier to just do these beautiful big pieces. All right? Now, for the greens, I told you I'm using raw escarole. This is a mildly bitter raw vegetable. You can, of course, just use romaine lettuce. And I just coarsely chop that. Then we take the onion and the fennel and add it to the bowl. And then we toss. So we're gonna pour some of our citrus dressing around, and we're gonna save just about 2 tablespoons to drizzle over the chicken as well. Salt and pepper, and really work that through. You want this to be barely dressed. Here's our salad and John's perfectly grilled white and dark meat chicken, and then we drizzle the juice over the chicken. We add our last pieces of citrus. We take that last little drizzle of dressing and dress the chicken itself.